Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino talking Euro currency futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Euro finished up over 1%, around 1.25% on the high side, coming close to that 122 level. This is the highest level in the euro since December of 2015. Again, getting above 120 was something that was a struggle for a long time, and then we dipped back down, and now this particular two-day spike we're seeing is really holding. Now, the continuation of this particular trend is still based off of the ECB minutes that we saw yesterday. Now, those ECB minutes went back to a meeting in December 14th of 2017, and in those minutes, the Board of Governors of the ECB talked about potentially needing to revise their guidance to the market in terms of the bond purchase program, as well as potential for rate hikes. Now, Jens Weidmann of the Bundesbank actually said today, don't look for an aggressive rate hike, but nobody really believes that that rate hike schedule is going to be aggressive. It's just that the ECB hasn't even really taken ownership of the strong Eurozone economic figures that we've seen. So again, this is a continuation. This two-day trend is still essentially based off of that news that came out. We had a huge spike yesterday, followed by another fairly large spike today, again getting the euro above 121. Now, to help that along, the dollar weakened. Dollar index was down about 0.75%, and that extended when Philly Fed President Harker talked about 2 rate hikes. If you're familiar with what the Fed is expecting, they're talking about 3 rate hikes for 2018. I've said before, I think they're more likely to do 2 than they are to do 4. In other words, more likely to undershoot. CPI helped out with that a little bit today, but Harker actually said it. He said they would be smarter to do 2 rate hikes in 2018. That can change wildly before the year is out. The probability of that really hasn't moved today, but it did weaken the dollar a little bit as yields backed up, and the euro gained a little bit of strength off of that again, well into the 121s, highest level since December of 2015. This is Bob Iaccino talking Euro currency futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.